Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. Today we are going to be decorating my porch lanterns for Easter and spring. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. Today's video is part of the Spring Lantern Collab hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. I know I typically make coffee at this point, but I was in the mood for a chai tea latte. I want to send a quick shout out to all of my subscribers. Hello, I'm so thankful that you're back. And to all of you who are new, maybe from the playlist or somewhere else, hello, I am glad that you came. And I hope that you enjoy what you see today. We will be making a lantern swag, and for that you will need a few pieces of greenery, 3 different types of florals, ribbons, and any accessories you would like to attach. I will be using a cross. Because this is my porch lantern, I wanted to give it a really good cleaning before I attached any of the florals or anything else. When I attach picks to each other, whether it's greenery or florals, I like to weave them together so it doesn't look like I'm just putting pieces on top of other pieces. If I'm able, I prefer to bend my picks rather than clip them, because for this swag, it does help give it a little more stability, but it also means that I can reuse the picks at a later time if I want to. Here I decided there was just a little too much, so in this case I did trim off some of the floral from the purple bunch as well as the peach bunch. I cut about 1 foot of wire and I will use it to wire all of these together. I didn't want the ends poking out because not only would they hurt me, but they'd also possibly damage my lantern. So I'm just going to arrange them so they are pointing in towards all of the stems. To make my bows, I prefer to do the fold over method. I find it's easier, at least for me. Pretty much the rule of thumb with the fold over method is to make sure that you have equal loops on each side. I'm on other social media outlets as well and would love to connect with you. All of the links for those are in the description box. Everything was purchased at the Dollar Tree for this particular swag, including all of the ribbons. Now I am cutting about 18 inches of wire. To put the bow together, I like to create what I call hills and valleys. So you make a valley in the middle and you make 2 hills on either side of the bow. So it goes hill, valley, hill. And then I attach my wire. It is so long so that way we can use it to attach the swag to the lantern. Now when it comes to fluffing your bow, do not be afraid to manhandle it. It will be perfectly fine. In fact, it usually turns out better the rougher you are with it. So pull, fluff, twist, do whatever you need to do and get that bow all fluffed up. Now to attach the cross, I'm going to take this wire and place it between the bow and the greenery. And then the other end of the wire, I'm going to bring up underneath this small blue bow and then twist them together. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me as much as I enjoyed spending it with you, and until I see you in the next video, take care.